Hi friends, I'm Advocate Jaya Shiva. I'm here again with a new topic today. And before I start the video today, I would like to share that I have been making video on very important topics like widow's right on deceased husband's property, and in case if police does not register an FIR, what can you do? And I made a video on probate and letters of administration, and there are many other videos also. So if you find my videos helpful, please share them with the people whom you think will really these videos will really help, and that will really make me happy because I like helping people. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel in case if you would still like to continue watching my videos, and also press the notification bell so that you can get update as soon as I upload my new video. So let's move on. So today's topic is will. So before we discuss about will, we should understand the definition of a will. Will is a legal document about the intention of the testator in respect to his property, which he desires to be carried into after his death. So, in a will, you specify that how you want your property to be distributed after your death. So, the property includes movable as well as immovable property. So, you can specify what goes to whom and how the assets will be distributed. You can also specify when you are not there, who will be the person who will be responsible to distribute these assets amongst the beneficiary, the people to whom you have assigned these assets. So, who is capable of making a will? The person should be of a sound mind and should be a major in order to make a will. Okay, and he should be competent to make a will. And now we should understand who should be the parties of a will. So parties of the will include executor, as I just mentioned, the person who after the death of the testator, the person who is making a will, who is responsible to distribute the assets and make sure that the will is executed properly. The testator is the one who is making the will, who is specifying where his assets and property goes after his death. Beneficiary is the person who gets a share in the will after the death of the testator. So, as we understood the parties of the will, the important points that have to be kept in mind that while making a will is that the will should clearly mention that who gets what. So there should not be any confusion that what share, how much share goes to which person, and the language shall be clear, and it's not mandatory to get the will registered, and the will can be revoked or altered anytime. However, it is suggested in case if you make a new will, you should destroy the old will, and in case if you have got it registered or notarized, you should inform the authority that is concerned. Okay. Apart from that, what is the different quality, special quality of the will? There is no limit on the number of times the will can be changed. However, I would like to repeat myself that in case if you make the latest will, you should destroy the old will and inform the authority concerned about it, that the old will is not valid anymore. The burden of the proof lies on the person who files for the execution or for the contesting the will. So for an instance, if you have applied for the execution of the will, then in order to prove that this is the last will of the testator, the burden of proof lies on you. But in case if you are contesting the will, the burden of proof lies on you, that how you are contesting and what are the reasons that you think that this is not a genuine will. A property can be given to anyone through will. So it's not necessary that it should be given to your relatives only or your legal hands only. You can give it to anybody you think anybody you think who deserves to have that property when you are not there. So, since we have understood about the important features of the will, the definition, and who is eligible to make the will, we should also understand why is it important to make a will. It is important to make a will because in case if you die without a will, it will be very difficult for your loved ones after you pass away to allocate the assets and understand that how to like allocate your things and how to manage your digital accounts or your movable property. There are many things that they have to think about before doing anything. So if you would specify these things, it will be much easier for your loved ones to deal with it. Second, that in case if you die without a will, the important decisions of who gets what may be left upon the local court or the state laws. So you will not have any say on like who receives your property and the other assets. So it may go to somebody whom you think you may not think deserves the property. So what is the positive points of making will? That it saves the time, money and stress for your loved ones. You can determine who will manage your will because you will appoint an executor if you will, and you can leave the instructions regarding your bank balance, your lockers, your jewelry or valuable movable assets also. So it will be easier for everybody to distribute it and make things settle as soon as possible, and it will also avoid a lot of family disputes. And in case if you feel like you can support some of the causes by allocating some of your money to the charity also through will. So I hope this video will really help you understand the will and what are the important parties in the will and why is it important to make a will. So in case if you think that this video will help somebody, do share it with them. In case if you think my videos are good, do not forget to press the like button and press the subscribe button in case if you think that my videos are helpful and the future videos also will be really helpful to you. So stay healthy, stay safe, take care.